Hey guys, we're at Shannon Falls now, but I'm like dying. I feel so sick. But yeah, anyways, we are here and Hayden's taking pictures.
No, I can't even zoom in.
Yeah, we'll see if I can zoom in. You can't? Yep. Now we're hiking.
How high do you think you could go?
Higher.
Go next to the falls?
Maybe. Can go right up to the falls.
Are you recording?
Yes, it's recording. Yeah, so we're going up. And
I'm so tired.
Where did our parents go? Okay.
I'm so tired.
Oh my god. Yeah. We're just walking up this thing. It's kind of
Look
boring.
at those stairs.
Oh my god, my legs are burning.
Look at those stairs.
It's incline though. Okay, yeah. Hi guys, so we are leaving the falls now. It's back there. I don't know if you can see it or not. But that was it. It's pretty nice, right?
Are you okay now?
A little better. I feel a little better.
What about the little ovals where they overlap? Those kind of cool too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9.
Vlogging, talking. So we're at Whistler now, and behind us is the Olympic rings. Can you see it? Yes. And the slopes. And yeah.
Now here's where I roll down the hill.
What?
I roll down and you lose me forever.